Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily Nicole if you guys are new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back. If you guys don't know me, my name's Emily Nicole, obviously, and I make lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And if you guys haven't done so already, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and like and subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram. It's just at EmilyNicole97, and I'll put it up here. So today is Sunday the 29th, and I actually just got back like maybe 30 minutes ago from Saginaw. So if you guys aren't like super familiar with Michigan, there's like the east and west, and I currently live on the west side of Michigan in Grand Rapids, and I obviously have family back in Saginaw. That's my hometown. That's Mitch's hometown. Both of our families are like in Saginaw on the east side. So we came back over here, and yeah, it was just like a really fun weekend. We obviously went back for Thanksgiving, so we left on like Thursday morning, and then like a lot of stuff happened with like my car, and it was just kind of like a wild start to the weekend. So we actually ended up having to like have AAA come out and like haul my car back. But I guess like in between like Thanksgiving and today, we basically just like spent time with family and saw some of our friends. We saw our friend Brian and Hunter. It was like so much fun. But yeah, we just had a really good time. But we're back, and we have like literally so much to do. The apartment was like not fully clean when we left, which I hate doing. Like, I literally hate leaving my place like a mess, especially when I come back from somewhere for like a long weekend and it's all dirty and kind of gross. So we have some major cleaning to do. We have to get groceries. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to the grocery store, and I kind of want to make this video like a week, or like a Sunday reset. I've done one of these in the past, but I literally just like need to get my life together. Like, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the grocery store and get some healthy stuff and maybe meal prep a dinner tonight. I was thinking about maybe like a white chicken chili. I've made that in the past, but I don't think I've ever showed it on my YouTube channel. So I think that'd be really fun to show you guys how I make it. I can also like link the recipe and everything down below. But yeah, Mitch is actually going to his place right now because we don't live together. He has a roommate, and his roommate also just like is just taking all the proper precautions obviously for COVID. And I just want to make sure I have a mask in here actually. Shoot, I don't think I do. Since we did like see other people like outside of just myself and his roommate, he is going to like just stay with me for a little bit. So he just wanted to grab some of his music stuff and some of his like food while I go to the grocery store. So here I am. But what else? Yeah, I'm really gonna need a face mask. It's like so annoying that you have to think about these things, but it is what it is, and I don't have one in here. I'm like actually so confused like where it went then. Okay, I just like sprinted and got my mask. So I am being safe for COVID, and we're going to do this grocery run as effective as possible. I just got out of the grocery store, and now I'm headed back home. I do want to do like a little mini grocery haul. I didn't end up getting stuff to make the soup, the chicken chili. It's more of a soup. Like, I say it's a chicken chili, but it's definitely more soupy. I didn't end up getting it. Just trying to eat a little bit healthier, and I didn't have rotisserie chicken, so I just figured it was kind of a sign not to eat meat this week. So I think I am gonna try to do like, actually that's not true, I got turkey bacon, but that's hard. Okay, well, that was a good idea for a second, but I do want to eat just like healthier this week in general. So I kind of got some of the stuff for my like traditional dishes I used to make all the time. Yeah, probably even included them on my channel. Like, I used to eat like a lot of soba noodles, and I found these really good like lotus noodles. I'll show you guys when I get home, but I've heard a lot of good things about the brand, and they had like a ramen. So instead of maybe using the like lo mein or the soba noodles. Actually, they're soba noodles, that's my bad. But instead of using the soba noodles, I could try some cleaner brands of noodles. And then I got my traditional like chickpea bowl dish thing that I'm going to make again because Mitch said that he'd bring back my coconut aminos, which had been like at his house for some reason. And I just like didn't feel like buying like a whole nother bottle of that stuff because it's like literally so expensive. Some of the condiments that are like healthy or like the healthier option of certain things are literally so expensive. So anyways, that's what we're doing. I'll show you guys everything I got when I get back, and then I have some serious cleaning to do because yeah, there's just so much to unpack and clean in the kitchen, and I have to change the kitty's litter and just do all that fun cat mom stuff. But anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I did just want to quickly show my outfit. I'm just wearing this Carhartt hat. I got this actually from, I know you can get them at like Meijer, you can get them pretty much like anywhere these days, but I stole this from my dad, and I have no makeup on my face, so don't mind that. And then for my hair, I just have like, it's still just blown out from yesterday. Not yesterday, Saturday. Saturday I got my hair done. Yeah, obviously yesterday, Saturday. But yeah, I got my hair done and I got like a light balayage just to kind of lighten some pieces up. And then this little t-shirt that's cropped is from Aritzia. It's like in that really pretty like heather gray color. And then I'm just wearing my usual jewelry. These rings are from Nordstrom. And this one's from Amazon. And then this like chunky, it's called like the Amazon coat. I'm pretty sure like everyone and their mother knows about this coat now, but it's from Amazon. It's called the Orale coat, but I will link it below. It's just super cozy and it's like in a beige color. And then I have this little Lululemon athletic bag. It's just pink and I'm wearing it as a crossbody. And then my leggings are Lululemon. They're the A-line ones. And then I'm just wearing these like black wedged booties, and these are from Steve Madden. So that's kind of my overall look. Just got back and we did some dishes to clean up the kitchen, but now I am going to show you guys what I got at the grocery store. I went to this market, I don't even know the name of it honestly. First thing I got are some of these LaCroix. They're not LaCroix, they're actually like the bubbly sparkling water. I always like to keep a good amount of these on hand just because there's no sugar and it kind of just is a little bit different than water. So I always keep a good amount of those. And then what else did we get? So as far as like drinks goes, I usually just use like my Hydro Flask or just like Gatorade or just random water bottles, whatever I have. But I did want to pick up a few of these essential waters just because they're pretty quick and easy, and I like to keep at least like a couple in my car just because sometimes I'm like rushing out the door before like my workout class, and it's just nice to not forget water because I don't want to like randomly buy one at the studio. But yeah, I got a few of these. I feel like I got a fourth one, but I just can't find it now. But anyways, all right. So then for some of my lunch ideas, I got like dinosaur kale, and yeah, I always do this as like a base to one of my chickpea bowls. So I'll do like chickpeas, this dinosaur kale. I got some mushrooms. They're in here as well, somewhere. Yeah, so I got the broccoli, And then I also got mushrooms for those bowls. And like I was saying earlier, I'll usually just add like coconut aminos to them and then some cayenne pepper and salt and just kind of mix it all together with the chickpeas. So I don't know where those are at. But yeah, I'll show you the chickpeas once I get to it, but that's kind of how I make that bowl. Then Mitch just needed some random bread, so I picked that up. And then these are the noodles that I was talking about when I was in the car. It's the Lotus brand, Lotus Foods, Rice is Life. So they're just like these little ramen packets, and they have they have 1 gram of added sugar. But they're pretty clean, and they have like 9 grams of protein, which is pretty good. So how I'll make these is usually I do like soba noodles as the base, but I'll add a little bit of soy sauce, sriracha, and garlic and ginger and just mix it all together. But I thought it'd be a good idea to try some of these rice ramens. So we'll see. And also it's super quick to make. It only takes like 4 minutes. So excited to try those. Then just for some granola bars. I don't know if you guys remember back when I lived in Boston, but I would literally eat like one of those RX bars like every single day, but I got so sick of them. So I found these ones, which I've had before. I've had the lemon Luna bar, but never the lemon blueberry one. So this is lemon zest and blueberry. And it has 7 grams of protein, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, made with organic oats. I'm not sure what the sugar looks like on this, but yeah, I just thought these would be good for the morning or even before like a workout class if I take one early. So that's always good to have on hand. And for breakfast, I got these sweet potato chunks. I thought this would be really good with a side of eggs, and then just fry up some of these and maybe add some like brown sugar on it or something just to get some healthy carbs. And what else? I got some frozen fruit for smoothies. I already have like eggs and bananas and some other fruit and stuff here and like some snacks. So just trying to get a few things for this week. Oh, and here are the garbanzo beans. I never have like a particular brand I always stick with, but these ones just say like no salt added. There's 6 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, and they're gluten-free. So those are always good to keep around for those bowls that I was talking about. Then I got some bagels. I just got these random plain ones. I usually like to eat like a bagel with either like turkey bacon, which I actually got, and sometimes I'll do like an egg over easy with a bagel in the morning. It's just a good way to get some carbs and also protein. So yeah, I got some turkey bacon. And then I just got a bag of apples. Apples are usually like my go-to snack throughout the day. They're just super easy, and I actually have an apple slicer, so I always slice them up. And then the rest of the stuff, oh, here's the other essential water that I got. And then just one more can of beans. And then I just got some other random things. I got a lot of cat food, and then I randomly got a toothpaste because I left my toothpaste actually at my mom's house in Saginaw, so my toothpaste and my toothbrush, so I got that. But yeah, that was just a little grocery haul. That's an overview of everything I got. And I just quickly also changed into this little outfit. The shirt is from Aritzia, so it's the same shirt I was wearing earlier, but these sweats aren't just nude, and they are from Target, and my slippers are from Meijer. So that's all I have now. Now I guess we'll just go and cook something for dinner really quick. I'm not really sure, and then I have a little bit of picking up to do still. like cutting it, like you're like cutting it like a real quesadilla. What do you dip quesadillas in? Sour cream, sour cream. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at EmilyNicole97, and the Nicole is with an H. And also feel free to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this kind of content. And I hope to have this up by the 1st of December for Vlogmas. I have all of these video ideas written down right here, and I'm just going to kind of map out that for the rest of the night and also sign up for a workout class tomorrow. And I think I'm going to schedule a 12 p.m. express ride. So that's what I'm doing basically right now. I have tea going like on the kettle right now, so I'm gonna have some of that, finish mapping out my week, and I'm just so excited. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.